How to triple your insurance production in 90 days, 100% online. What if you could triple your insurance production in the next 90 days without driving to appointments, sitting in living rooms, or chasing leads all over the state? Today, you can sell final expense life insurance and $1 to $3 million term life policies completely online. No physical exams, no blood tests, no medical appointments. Your clients can apply from the comfort of their home using their phone, tablet, or computer. Imagine waking up each morning with qualified appointments already booked on your calendar. You generate sales over the internet, present the options, and complete the application electronically in minutes. That means more appointments, 24/7 more applications, and more commissions, with less time and lower expenses. If you're ready to work smarter, close more business, and build a scalable insurance agency, this is the fastest way to do it. 76-year-old agent triples his production in 90 days. Go to www.success45.com.